Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use X-VPN Premium features to unlock over 8,000 plus servers worldwide, choose the best protocol for your connection, and even talk directly to a real support agent. If you've been looking for a fast, secure, and reliable VPN solution, you're in the right place. Once you've opened X-VPN, go to Select Location. Here, you'll see a massive list of over 256 locations and 8,000 plus premium servers worldwide. You can either use the fastest server option to let the app automatically connect to the best server for your location, or manually pick from countries like the United States, Singapore, United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, Argentina, and many more. For gamers and streamers, there's even a video and game tab to find optimized servers. Keep in mind, these premium servers give you higher speeds, more stable connections, and lower latency. Next, let's head to Everest Protocol settings. Here you can choose the protocol that works best for your internet connection. Auto. X-VPN will automatically pick the best protocol for you. UDP. Recommended. Fast and simple, perfect for streaming or gaming, though it may be unstable in certain networks. TLS3. Premium. High stability and connection success rate, great for secure browsing. TCP, a balance between speed and stability, works universally across networks. TLS, strong security and reliability. HTTP, useful in certain restricted networks. If you're not sure which to pick, start with Auto or UDP for speed and switch to TLS3 if you need more stability. Another cool premium feature is VIP support. You can chat directly with a real person to help with any technical issues or questions. Simply open the VIP support tab, type your message, and get instant replies from a live support agent. Whether it's a connection problem or a setup question, they're available to guide you in real time. And that's it. With X-VPN Premium, you can access thousands of high-speed global servers. Customize your connection with the best protocol for your needs. Get instant help from real support agents anytime. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more VPN tips and tutorials. Also, comment below which country's server you use the most.